Hi everyone, this is Lahari. Today's video is about web technology and its application. And the topic and the web technology here is the HTML tables. The contents for the HTML tables are introduction to tables, creating tables in HTML, spanning rows and columns, styling tables, accessibility of tables. Introduction to tables. HTML tables are a powerful tool for organization and displaying data on our web pages. They allow you to create rows and columns of information that can be easily read and understood by users. Tables are made up of cells which can contain text, images, links, or other type of contents. By using HTML tags and attributes, you can control the size, alignment, and formatting of your table cells. Creating tables in HTML. To create a table in HTML, you use the tag table. Inside the table tag, you define rows and columns of your tables using tr as the table row and td as the table data tags respectively. You can also add headings to your table by using table header tag. By default, tables have no borders or styling, but you can use CSS to customize appearance of your table. Below, you can see the example of the table creation in HTML. First, you have to define the tag table, then followed by tr, that is the table row. Then you have to define table data. And table data we have defined cell 1, cell 2 and cell 3. You'll close a particular row, that is slash tr. Then you'll open the second table row, that is tr, then followed by td table definitions. Those includes cell 4, cell 5, cell 6, and you'll close the table row, and finally you'll close the table. Spanning rows and columns. The row span and the column span are the attributes of the table data, that is TD tag. They are used to specify the number of rows or the columns a cell should merge. The row span attributes is for merging rows and the column span attributes is for merging columns of the table in the HTML. The example here is given with the name and the age. For merging the name, we have used two rows. So the corresponding code for it is, first you have to define the tag table, then tr, that is table row. In table row, we have to merge two rows. That is for name, first name and the last name. So it is th column span is equals to 2. We are merging two rows. Then that the heading for that is name. Then you'll close the table heading. Then th age, you'll close the particular table row. Then you'll open the table row and you will enter the name and along with the age by using table data. Then you'll close that tr. Then you'll open td and you'll enter the second data details, that is ev jackson, and the age is 57. You'll close tr and you'll close tables. So next, in the next figure, you can see that Jill and the Smith. Here there are two rows followed by only one table heading, that is the name. So here you use to look of spanning rows and columns. Styling tables. First one, it is the table borders. We usually know that HTML does not provide table borders by default. So you'll use the property of table borders to set the table border. Table style is equals to width 100%. That is the styling of tables. Table row, then followed by table heading. The heading of this example includes first name, last name and the age. Then you'll close that table row. Then you'll open another table row to enter the data that is defined by TD Shreya Mishra. Then that is the first name, last name and the age is 24. You'll close the first table row of the data entry. Then you'll open second one with the table data includes Jai Singh, first name, last name, and the age of him is 32. Then you'll close the table row. Then you'll open the third table row, that is Philip Waston, and the age of him is 41. You'll close that specific table row. Finally, you'll close the whole table. Then the figure shows you the table borders along with the table data and the table headings. HTML caption. The caption element, it is used to add a caption to the table. The caption, that is the table heading. We specifically want a table to have the heading so we can easily recognize what the table is. So here we'll use HTML caption for it. The size, the example includes HTML size is equals to width 100%. Caption style, that includes the font weight as a bold, and font size is equals to 25 pixel information, and you'll close the caption. Then you'll open TR, that is table row. First table row will have the table headings that includes first name, last name, and the age, and you will close table row similarly as that of the previous example. Then you'll open specific table row for entering the data by using TD. The first name here is Shreya, last name is Mishra, and the age is 24. You'll close the table row. Then you'll open another table row to enter the next data, that is first name is Jai, the last name is Singh, and the age is 32. You'll close the table row. Finally, you'll close the table. So in the figure, you can see the table with the topic of the caption here as the information. So we can easily find out what the HTML table is about. Background color. We can add background color to a HTML table using the property called as background color of the CSS. So the corresponding code of it includes first the table THTD. Then you'll open it and you'll set the border collapse, and border color. Here the border color is specified. Then you'll close that specific thing. Then you'll open THTD. Then you'll include the padding of 20 pixel. You'll close it. Then TH, that is the alignment. You can even have the text alignment that includes the right and left. Here we have used left, and you'll close the table heading. So the style is closed here. Then you'll close the head. Then the body. The body includes the HTML style of width 100%. The caption. Previous example, we have seen why the caption is used. So the caption here includes the information with the font weight as a bold and font size as a 25 pixels. Then it includes the table row. The table row has the table heading, the first name, last name, and the age, and you'll close the table row. Then you'll open the second table row to enter the data of the first person by using TD. The first name is Shreyas, the second name is Mishra, and the third age is 24. Similarly, you'll enter the table data for the second person and you'll close the table. Then you'll close finally the body of the HTML. Accessibility of tables. HTML tables can be quite furnishing from an accessibility standpoint. Users who rely on the visual readers can find pages with many tables, especially difficult to use them. One vital way to improve the situation is to use tables for tabular data, not for layout. Using the following accessibility feature for tables in HTML, one can also improve the experience for those users. First one, you have to describe the table's content using the caption element. So if you use the caption element, it provides the users with the ability to discover what the table is about before having to listen to the content of each and every cell in the table. Second one, connect the tables with a textual description in the header. While it is easy for a sighted user to quickly see what row or the column a given data cell is in, for users relying on visual readers, that is not an easy task. Hope in this video everyone are clear with creating tables, styling tables in HTML and spanning rows and columns. Thank you.